All right, long time no see, my friends. Today I am making a Mexican chicken casserole with flour tortillas. In here I have about 6 half chicken breast that I've already cleaned and all that good stuff. I'm using in here the Emerald Essence. And yes, that is the lovely sound of fucking construction. This, I think, is the best for seasoning poultry and pork, because I like my meat to be seasoned. So I'm going to put this in the oven now, uncovered, on 350 for about 35 minutes. And then I'm going to go and take a quick shower. Oh, and there's a little bit of olive oil in here too. So what I did was I baked my chicken, took it out. I didn't use all of this juice because you're not making enchiladas. Remember, you're making a Mexican chicken casserole, so it's got to be kind of somewhat thick. And I did a rough, now this is just like a rough shred with 2 forks, and put it in here. I'm gonna let this chicken rest for about 20 minutes until it cools, and then I'll tell you the rest of the ingredients and show you how to put it together. So my chicken is cooled, so what I'm gonna add to this is about a cup, maybe like half a cup of whole milk. Gotta use whole milk. A whole container of the 16-ounce sour cream, 2 cans of condensed cream of chicken soup, a can of cream of mushroom, and a can of the hatch chilies. I'm gonna put some onion powder in there, and here I have 10 large-sized flour tortillas that I've torn up. And I'm gonna do 2 cups of the Mexican blend cheese. You will not taste this mushroom at all, this mushroom flavor, and you will not taste these chilies. Everything blends in really, really good, so don't be afraid to use that because it adds good flavor. So now it's time to mix. Here you go. So I greased this pan and I put everything that I mixed in the bowl in here. And of course, because I'm the chef, I get my goodie today. I have not eaten all day. I'm fucking starving. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'll show you guys when it's done. But I'm gonna cover this when it's time to eat dinner tonight, 350 for about 40 minutes, and then add cheese at the very last minute. So with all of the fuckery that's going on in the garage, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this. I mean, do you see the bubbles? It's gonna be so fucking good. So I also want to say a special shout out to Big Al and Tony for helping us out, and my boys. They've been doing a really good job. Yum.